gonna stop pretending that this is not a problem. After looking at the BMR 1959 collector Barbie dolls, I have to tell the truth. I love the made-to-move body. I am slightly obsessed. And I am trying to be okay with different types of articulation, but it's just not happening. Because I use my dolls. I use them like puppets to tell stories, to take pictures, and I need their articulation to last and to be sturdy. And many collector dolls are just not meant to be used this way.
Hello? I can't hear you.
She can't put the cell phone next to her face. Okay, now it kind of looks like she's holding near her face, but it's, come on, look at all that space. So we're gonna do a little experiment and take our adult collector doll and give her a made-to-move body. Yes, this is a pretty expensive doll, so the stakes are high here. I want to make sure to preserve the original body, so if I ever want to change her back, I can. This doll is from Integrity Toys. We unboxed her a couple weeks ago and named her Caroline. However, she has a pretty light complexion. It might be difficult to match her. This is the arm of a made-to-move body that had the purple top. And yeah, that doesn't match at all. Let's try the curvy made-to-move body. And that's still a no. It's a little better, but no. I had a feeling that was going to happen, so I went online and found another doll we could use as Caroline. This was a nude doll and she had no clothes, so we just gave her a little nightgown real fast. I bought this doll from the Integrity Toys website. It's the 2018 Lux Life Convention exclusive Fabiana Diaz nude doll. And it was $60. Her skin tone is a little more tan, but I think it's too tan and that still isn't a perfect match. Let's try the basketball player. That's a no. Baseball player? Pretty close, but still not right. I think after going through all of those, the purple top is still our best option. So that's the one we're gonna use. Now, the Integrity Toys dolls have very, very hard heads. This is like super crazy, and I've seen a lot of other people do head swaps and they used a hair dryer. However, that could possibly affect the hair, and I don't want to take that chance. So I'm using a cup of hot water like I usually do for my swap. When I say hot, I mean hot. This water was boiling like 2 seconds ago. Take a clear plastic bag, place the doll inside, then place the head inside of the hot water. The head is completely submerged in the water, and I'm just gonna pull the plastic away from those eyelashes to try to give them a little extra protection. It's been about 30 seconds. I'm gonna take it out of the water. It's a little softer, but nowhere near where we need it to be. So let's go back into the bag, then go back into the water. It's been about, I wanna say 2 minutes. And, oh wow, what a difference. Yeah, let's go ahead and give this a try. Okay, so I'm gonna hold the neck and then just kind of work the head off. Oh, wow, that was surprisingly easy. I thought I broke it for a minute there. That would have been horrible, but no, everything's good. All right, we got a perfectly good IT body. And we need to quickly put her on the new body before the head gets firm again. Sorry, it's gonna take a moment because the body was already being used by another character. Oh man, I just realized we didn't do our favorite head swapping catchphrase. Even though we've already started, can we say it now? Let's do it. Everyone, say it with me. Off with their heads. Wait, something's not right here. We were able to remove the head. I'm gonna get rid of this peg. The Integrity Toy doll head is still squishy. So now we're going to just put it onto the body. There we go. Uh-oh, it's kind of loose. We do have a slight case of bobblehead syndrome. No! It might be because this body has had one too many head swaps. I keep reusing the same bodies. And sometimes the peg does start to get a little stretched. So, no. Ordinarily, I would just take the head off and try to fix it, but I think that just might compound the problem. So we'll look for another body that matches later, and we'll just use this one for right now. Just looking at the skin tone, however, it's not a bad match. It's not perfect, but it's not terrible. This doll has brown eyes, long red hair with a nice wave, parted on the side, and she has bangs. Her eyeshadow is kind of a greenish color. She has bright red lipstick, which is a little intense, but I think we can work with it. Because now she has a made-to-move body, which means she can hold a cell phone next to her head, enjoy a cup of coffee, and do yoga. So yeah, I think it's safe to say that this doll is going to be the new Caroline. Which means, excuse me, but I'm gonna need that outfit. Pink is my favorite color. Their body size is fairly similar. However, the Integrity Toys doll is taller. But I'm thinking that the sweatsuit should still fit. I haven't tried it yet, but I'm almost 100% confident, like 90%. Here she is, and yeah, it fits. That's great news because I made everyone sweatsuits and I would not want to have to make them all over again. The only thing is that the pants are a little long. But now that we have a made-to-move body, we can say hello shoes, which also means we can balance her to stand. Yes! We still have the original body and we can switch her back whenever we choose. So when you think about it, no dolls were harmed in the making of this video. And I've got a made-to-move Integrity Toys doll. I can't tell you how happy this makes me. I wonder who we should swap next. Leave your suggestions in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us for this doll head swapping experiment. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And you're done.
Happy crafting!